In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator on desktop with a QR code, webcam, or file. Here's the key idea up front. The official Google Authenticator is a mobile app. There isn't an official desktop app that scans QR codes with your computer's webcam or directly from your screen. To do this on a desktop, you'll use a third-party desktop authenticator or a browser extension that can import QR codes from a webcam or an image file. It won't be the official Google app, but it will generate the same kind of time-based one-time passwords that websites expect. Start by installing a compatible desktop authenticator tool. For Chrome or Chromium browsers, one example is 2Authenticator. Similar tools exist for other browsers. Download from the official extension store, check the developer information, and review permissions and privacy details so you're comfortable with what the tool can access. This is important because you're about to store sensitive 2FA secrets in it. Next, open the website where you want to enable two-factor authentication and go to its security settings. Choose the option to use an authenticator app. The site will display a QR code on your screen. Keep this page open. Now import that QR code into your desktop tool. If the tool supports webcam scanning, open its scan feature and point your computer's camera at the QR code until it detects it. If you prefer using an image file, take a clear screenshot of the QR code, then drag and drop the image into the tool, paste it from your clipboard, or use the tool's Import from File option. As long as the QR code is fully visible and sharp, the tool can read the underlying secret. After the import, the authenticator will create an entry and immediately show a 6-digit code. Go back to the website and enter that code to complete setup. If you're prompted for another code, wait for the next 30-second refresh and enter the new one. From now on, whenever the site asks for a code, open your desktop authenticator to see the current 6 digits for that account. A few tips before we wrap up. Remember, you're using a desktop authenticator, not the official Google app, but the codes are fully compatible. Keep your computer and browser profiles secure because anyone with access could view your 2FA secrets. If your security page offers backup codes, save them somewhere safe in case you lose access. And if webcam scanning struggles, improve lighting, steady the code, or switch to importing a screenshot. That's it. You're all set to generate 2FA codes on your desktop.